Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by identifying your device and getting straight to controls. If you're on Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS, open the display or power settings now. Make sure the device is plugged in or has ample battery because constant wake prevents deep sleep savings. Once done, choose the highest performance or always-on profile so the OS won't override screen activity. You're doing this because preventing timeouts requires both permission and sufficient power, and these first steps unlock the UI options we'll change next. Now you change the core timeouts and wake rules. On Windows, set screen timeout and sleep to never. On Mac OS, move energy saver slider to prevent display sleep. On Android, enable developer options and set stay awake, or use an app to keep screen on. On iOS, use guided access or a display app workaround. Make sure to disable screensavers and automatic locking because those relock the screen once those are off. The system won't force a timeout, and the display stays active for your tasks. Finish by testing and confirming persistence. You should leave the device idle for 10 to 15 minutes to verify the screen does not turn off, because some changes need a restart to take effect. If the display still times out, inspect running apps, battery optimization, and firmware updates that may override your choices. Make sure power-saving profiles aren't reapplying. If problems continue, reboot and reapply settings or install a trusted third-party keep-awake utility. This single troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn overrides.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.